Hello everyone, this is Maker Myers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new class in Google Classroom. We talked about this in person, but I figure having a video version of this would be helpful to refer back to in the future. So here I have my Google Classroom open, and if you forget how to get to that, just from any Google app, you have these 9 dots that you can click on and see all of your available Google apps. And you click on Classroom and it brings you to your main dashboard. So I have my classes already set up, but to add a new class you'd simply click the plus icon up here, and then if you're joining the class you'd hit join class, but in our case we're going to create a class, so you click on create class. You'd have your name, so 8th grade technology, and we'll say this is my second period, and the subject is technology, and then the room is the Think Lab. And then if I hit create, takes a second, it will create my class and it'll show up as another class. And now that I'm on my classes page, I have access to classwork. This is where I would add assignments, and I'll do a different video about that. This is where you would add your students, so you can add other teachers. So if you want one of the aides to be able to come in and edit and view what students are doing, you could add them as a teacher, or our principal, you would add them as teachers up here. And then to add your students, you simply click this button here, and as you start typing your student's name, it will pop up, and then you will click on their name, add the next student, click on their name, and once you have them all there, you then hit invite, and it will populate a list of all of your students and send out that invitation. So that's the easiest way to add your students, because once they log into their Google Classroom, it will have a little window asking them to join automatically. The other way is to give them this class code, and then on their dashboard they can click the little plus and hit join class and then enter this class code, and that's another way for them to join the class. Now I'm not going to show the specific students because this is going to go online, and we want to make sure we keep privacy here, but that's how you would add your students. It's very easy. And you also have your grades, so once you have assignments you'll be able to put grades in. We'll deal with that in a different video, but that's how you create your class. Now one tip that I would give is click on the gear icon up here, and you can change some of the settings for your class, and this one right here is stream. Right now it's set so students can post and comment, meaning that when they're in your classroom on this main page, you can come in here and you can make a post to share with your students. Well, they can do the same thing, and at least with the 6th graders, and I've seen with the 8th graders as well, they tend to post all sorts of random stuff that you don't necessarily want, but you still want them to engage. So what I would do is click that gear icon, come to stream, and change this from students can post and comment to simply students can only comment. If you have that option and then click save, now they can reply to posts that you make, but they can't create their own posts. I found that that works a lot better, so I'd definitely change that. From here you can do some customizing. You can select a theme, you can upload a photo as your background here, and you can make it as pretty as you want. But that is the basics of how to create a class in Google Classroom. If you have any questions or need help in doing it, just holler and I'll gladly help you out.